I had many moments where I woke up. And every time I would be, is this it? Am I enlightened right now? So this whole reaching for enlightenment, I've let go of it. Because apparently anyway, it's something where you don't make any efforts. So I'm learning more and more to not make any efforts and just to let life stream through me and let come through me what Source would like me to say to you. I was 19 years old and I was wondering how I could get up to this building that I was looking at to actually jump off. I was taking care of my two sisters, one of them was really young still. Then later on, moved to Amsterdam, used way too much drugs. I was still studying, which is a miracle that I became an engineer, Master of Science, while at the same time really diving into all the drug scene. So I've really lived through a lot, surviving, a lot of moments where I really didn't want to live anymore and stuff like that. So what woke me up was this fire inside who said, why is it like this? To trying to understand what life is really about, like the fire of really wanting to wake up, not even wanting just to be happy and have money, but really wanting to understand what life is about, to understand why am I here. And that fire was so huge that at a certain point I couldn't deny it anymore. So that really woke me up. And then, once I started waking up, I actually was following my heart. So whatever brought me joy, I would do it. I would meet up with friends, I would travel the world, and I would go to places I didn't even know why I had to be there, but I just followed my intuition. Went to Greece, went to Egypt, went to Israel, went everywhere. And then slowly, I started to understand all these pieces of the puzzles of my past lives, like why I was there, meeting people at a certain moment, synchronicity, and then I slowly started to wake up. Right now, my life looks very peaceful. I found this peace inside, where I know that in every moment I can just be myself, which means that I can be Source, which means that whatever is needed from me at that moment, I can give to the world. I can respond, I can change the world, I can work with other people, I can create a beautiful world because it's already there. It doesn't mean that I'm always happy. I still have my challenges and I still have my moments where I'm down or I wake up and I'm like, whoa, you know, again? Are we here still? This body again, you know? So for sure I have moments where I'm not motivated, but then I do stuff like I start shaking, put some music, go for a swim, do stuff that really bring me some really good vibes, and then I'm back. And as soon as I'm back, the whole world starts to flow with it again.